Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Hello guys. So today we will dictate the advanced phrasography by Sir Kailash Chandra part 2. So get ready for the dictation at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. May also be, to the extent I will not be, scheduled tribes. It will also, to some extent I would not, scheduled castes and tribes. Has also been, to a certain extent, should be taken. Backward classes. Has also to be, to a great extent, should not be taken. Per capita. It has also been, to a very great extent, will be taken. National income. Have also been, to such an extent, will have to be taken as quickly as possible. Had also been, to a large extent, was taken. Lay down. Is also, to that extent, were taken. Lays down. There is also, to this extent, in the ear. Laid down. There is also, to this extent, during the year. More or less. Are also, to the extent possible. It may have been. Few days ago. More or less. I do not mean to say. Should also. Was also. We did not have. I am very sorry. They would be. Were also. We did not have. I am very grateful. That would be. In the world. On behalf of the. In this world. It is bound to be. There is no provision. There should have been. We are also. They have also. In addition to the. Cooperative societies. On behalf of the. In this behalf. In this world. It is obvious that the. It appears that the. Advisory board. Cooperative banks. In addition to this. Much more important. Has said that. Railway board. Is likely to be. Are likely to be. Civil services. Non officials. More important than. Most important. Large number of. Government service. For my part. It is true that. Government servants. Large numbers. Most important things. Most important matters. In this measure. Minority community. In some other way. Or some other way. In other words. To look into the matter. From the point of view of the. Immediate attention. For instance. In view of the. If possible. It is possible that the antisocial, for example, prompt attention, more attention. In the first instance, Indo Pakistan, it is quite possible. It is not possible to consider the in the first place my attention, your attention, rural areas come to an end. It will be possible. It will not be possible. Came to an end. Urban areas. I draw the attention of the. I would like to. With a view to. Socio-economic. It would be possible. It would not be possible. Social and economic. With a view to. Draw the attention of the. Apart from the. Economic and social. It may be possible. It may not be possible. United States of America. Apart from this, what has been done? Draw the attention of the. To draw the attention of the. Drawing the attention of the. What has been done? In many ways. Difference of opinion. United States. It has been possible. As far as possible. US. Differences of opinion. At the time of the. At a time. Who has been. USA. So far as possible. As soon as possible. United Kingdom. Which has been. At times. At that time. All over the country. If I may say so. As early as possible. If it is possible. On the whole. All over the world. Could not. I could not. By my honorable friend. As a whole. To the extent possible. Great importance. As well. Honorable mover. They might be able to. In the countryside. Until and unless. To an extent. In connection with the. Scheduled castes. Unless and until.